Hey guys, Garage Maxed Out here. Today's video is going to be on the E90. I got my new cabin air filter in. We're going to go ahead and replace it. This is really straightforward. Before I start, if you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. I know I'm shirking my responsibilities on the GTR. I will get to that this week. I promise you guys some more videos on that one, but we're gonna go ahead and knock this one out. It's a really simple procedure. It should only take you guys probably 5 minutes to complete. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so the only thing that you guys are gonna need to do this job, you'll just need an 8mm socket. And one of the things I noticed on my cover here is it's actually missing a couple of pieces, so I'm gonna have to order a replacement. But you guys are looking for 6 8mm head bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you'll have one right here if your cover isn't broken like mine, and then you'll have another one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. Okay, so once you remove those, this cover will just come right up. Just move it like that. And actually this air filter doesn't look too bad. I already ordered one, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. You'll have 3 clips up here on the top. And it'll just pull right out. Okay, then to replace it, there's a little tab on the back here. You can see that. And put it in, push it down. And same thing on the other side. And it should seal on all the corners, and these clasps should go all the way over the knuckle. Then once it's replaced, just make sure there's no debris in here, and you can go ahead and seat it back on. Okay, and then just replace your bolts. Alright guys, that's it. That's the whole procedure for replacing your cabin air filter in your BMW E90. As you guys saw, my piece is missing a few little corners of plastic. I'm going to go ahead and order a replacement one so that it holds firmly down where it needs to be. But if yours is in good condition, you won't have any extra steps. It's literally a 5-minute procedure. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.